If you're a homeowner in Vancouver trying to understand a roofing estimate, you're not alone. Roofing estimates can feel confusing, especially with different prices, materials, and advice. A roofing estimate is a professional breakdown of the costs, materials, and scope of work required for a roof repair or replacement. In Vancouver, estimates are more detailed because of heavy rain, moisture exposure, and local building requirements. Not all estimates are the same. Some are preliminary and give rough pricing, while detailed estimates include exact measurements, material specifications, labor costs, and potential repairs. Cheaper estimates often leave out important items like underlayment upgrades, plywood replacement, disposal costs, or proper waterproofing. These omissions can lead to massive costs down the road. In Vancouver's climate, roofing estimates also account for roof pitch, access, and material performance in wet conditions, and compliance with BC consumer protection rules. These factors directly affect both cost and performance. Long-term roof performance, ensuring your home stays dry for decades. A proper roofing estimate isn't just about price. It's about transparency, durability, and knowing exactly what you're paying for. Comparing estimates line by line helps homeowners avoid surprises and costly mistakes later. It provides peace of mind that your most valuable asset is protected by quality craftsmanship. This is how roofing estimates are evaluated every day at Paragon Roofing BC, working with Vancouver homeowners who want clarity, accuracy, and long-term protection. Contact us today to learn more.